the vast land, agriculture is growing with technology innovation. Driven by technology, Shandong Maria Machinery Co Limited is focusing on the garlic industry with infinite hope and possibilities. Located in Jinxiang County of Shandong Province, known as a county of garlic in the world, Shandong Maria Machinery Co Limited is a national high-tech enterprise and a national specialized and innovative little giant enterprise. As it stays true to its original aspiration to serve garlic farmers and the garlic industry, Maria Machinery has started from scratch and successfully developed machinery products for the whole garlic industry chain. Now, Maria Machinery offers 12 series of 156 products, including agricultural machinery for the cultivation and harvest of garlic, and automatic equipment for all steps of garlic processing to ensure whole process automation in the garlic industry. The machinery produced by Maria Machinery for the garlic industry has fundamentally replaced manual labor, a mode of production that has lasted for over 2,000 years in China's garlic industry. Maria Machinery developed China's first garlic planter set, capable of adjusting garlic sprouts, which filled an international gap, making Chinese technologies internationally famous. At present, its agricultural equipment has been widely used in 31 domestic provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions including Shandong, Henan, Jiangsu, and Hebei. Its products have also been exported to more than 30 countries and regions, such as the US, Spain, Japan, South Korea, Australia, Argentina, and Brazil, and well received in both domestic and foreign markets. Maria Machinery cares about the income of garlic farmers and promotes industrial prosperity. Based on its machinery for the garlic industry, Maria Machinery has built a village-level public service platform for the garlic industry. It has set up 619 cooperation centers in main garlic producing areas to provide local garlic farmers with one-stop garlic industry chain services. In addition, it has built cross-regional garlic farming service teams to provide the most advanced public services for garlic farmers in China and even the whole world, which has been identified as a typical case of national whole process mechanization plus comprehensive farming services by the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs. Through integrated product, channel, and model innovation, Maria Machinery has brought new vigor and vitality to the garlic industry. Through constant innovation, Maria Machinery has made great achievements. Holding nearly 300 patents, it has participated in the formulation of nearly 20 national standards, industrial standards, group standards, and local standards. It has successively won a gold award at the 13th China Shandong International Equipment Manufacturing Industry Exposition, second prize of the Shandong Science and Technology Award, and first prize of the Shandong Engineering Industry Science and Technology Award. Sparing no effort to forge ahead with determination, Maria Machinery will stick to agricultural modernization and constantly launch more advanced, intelligent, green, and practical agricultural machinery and service modes. Maria Machinery will write a new chapter of agricultural development with enthusiasm.